The best thing I did for myself recently was to stop caring what other people think of me. Okay, it's not easy, but once you make that mindset shift, it's really like a massive weight falls off of your shoulders, because a lot of us don't do things simply because we care too much what other people think of us. I mean, for me, I can tell you it wasn't easy to start posting on here because I was so afraid what other people might think of me, where now I really don't care, and it actually feels great. Okay, now for you it might not be posting videos, but it could be something like starting out in the gym, or even something as simple as asking a question in a work meeting. Now, by not caring what other people think, I don't mean be sloppy and weird. All I mean is don't let other people's opinions hold you back from pursuing the things that you want to pursue, simply because you're too scared of what they might think. Because I can tell you, most people won't even spend more than a few seconds thinking about you, because they're too focused on their own insecurities.